Sum number 31. Integral Sine X divided by 1 plus cos X the whole square into dx. So we take the substitution as 1 plus cos X. Let t is equal to 1 plus cos X. So now we differentiate with respect to X. So differentiate with respect to X. So if I use to differentiate, we get dt divided by dx. 1 if I use to differentiate, we get 0 plus cos x. Cos x if I use to differentiate, I get minus sin x. So dt divided by, anyway plus into minus is minus. So 0 minus sin x is nothing but minus sin x. I need the value of dx. So dt, this minus sin x comes to the denominator equal to dx. So we found out the value of dx. So dx is nothing but minus dt divided by sin x. So let us substitute in the question. So this is equal to integral sin x divided by t square. Dx value is dt minus dt. Okay, minus dt divided by sin x. So this sin x will be get cancelled and we are left with minus 1 by t square into dt. So we are left with minus 1 by t square dt. So this t square, when it comes to the numerator, it becomes t power minus 2 dt. So actually what is the integral of x power n? Integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that concept we are going to use. So t power minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So this is equal to minus t power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to minus t power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus minus will be get cancelled and we are left with t power minus 1 plus c. So t power minus 1. T power minus 1 is 1 divided by t. So 1 divided by t plus c. So what is the value of t? T value is 1 plus cos x. So therefore the answer is 1 divided by 1 plus cos x plus c is the answer. So question, integral sin x divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square dx irukku. So 1 plus cos x நான் t ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். இதை differentiate பண்ணி dx உடைய value find out பண்றோம். So இப்போ இந்த t value dx value இது ரெண்டையும் questionல substitute பண்ணிடுறோம். Substitute பண்ணும்போது sin x cancel ஆயிடுது. Remaining minus 1 by t square dt மட்டும் இருக்கு. So இந்த t square denominatorல இருக்க t square numerator போயிடுச்சுனா t power minus 2 வரும். t power minus 2 dt. So இது எந்த ஃபார்மட்ல இருக்கு? x power n ஃபார்மட்ல. So x power n integrate பண்ணா x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is equal to minus x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So minus t power minus 2 plus 1 oda value minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 oda value minus 1 plus c. So minus minus cancel ஆயிடும், t power minus 1. t power minus 1 அப்படின்றது nothing but 1 by t. So 1 by t plus c, at last substitution remove பண்ணிரும். Substitution என்ன? 1 plus cos x. So அந்த 1 plus cos x substitute பண்ணிரும். 1 divided by 1 plus cos x plus c is the answer. Next, sum number 32. Sum number 32, integral 1 divided by 1 plus cot x dx. Here, if I take the t value to be as 1 plus cot x, 1 if I use to differentiate we get 0, but what happened to cot x? So here we cannot do it so. So we have to take some other method. So it is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus, I can write this cot x to be as cos x divided by sin x. So cos x divided by sin x into dx. So this is equal to integral 1 divided by, actually 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So cross multiply on both sides. That is when we used to cross multiply we have sin x plus cos x divided by sin x into dx. So 1 divided by 1 plus cos x by sin x. 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So when I used to cross multiply, so on simplifying we get sin x plus cos x divided by sin x into dx. So this division part, when it comes here, it becomes reciprocal. So sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. Okay, so sin x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. So the next step what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So if I multiply and divide by 2, we get 1 by 2 integral 2 sin x divided by sin x plus cos x as it is. Sin x plus cos x into dx. So 1 by 2, I can write this 2 sin x as sin x plus sin x. So sin x plus sin x. Now we are going to add and subtract cos x, because in the denominator we have sin x plus cos x. So if I make a pair of sin x plus cos x and sin x minus cos x, we can easily solve. So add and subtract cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Now I just pair it, sin x plus cos x as one term and sin x minus cos x as another term. So sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay, so sin x plus cos x one term plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x. So now I just split the integral. So integral 1 by 2 sin x plus cos x dx divided by sin x plus cos x plus integral and other part sin x minus cos x divided by cos x into divided by sin x plus cos x dx. So we splitted the term. So question 1 divided by cortex irukku. So cortex cos x by sin x எழுதிரோம். அதுக்கு அடுத்து cross multiplication பண்ணிறேன். So அப்போ sin x plus cos x divided by sin x னு கிடைக்கும். So இப்போ இந்த denominatorல இருக்க sin x so reciprocal ஆகும்போது numerator க்கு வந்துரும். So sin x divided by sin x plus cos x னு multiply and divide by 2 கொடுக்கிறோம். Next இந்த 2 sin x sin x plus sin x னு split பண்ணிரோம். Add and subtract cos x கொடுக்கிறோம். எதுக்காக cos x கொடுக்கிறோம்னா denominatorல sin x plus cos x னு இருக்கு. So அதனால இதே மாதிரி ஒரு term numeratorல கொண்டு வந்தோம்னா நமக்கு solving ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So அதனால தான் add and subtract sin x cos x கொடுக்கிறோம். இப்போ next pair பண்ணிரோம். sin x plus cos x ஒன்னு sin x minus cos x ஒன்னு. இப்போ integralல ரெண்டா split பண்ணிரோம். So integralல ரெண்டா split பண்றதால sin x plus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx னு. So இப்போ sin x plus cos x sin x plus cos x cancel ஆயிடும். இப்போ next என்ன பண்றோம்னா so the remaining is integral 1 by 2 sin x, this both are cancelled and we are left with only dx plus integral sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. So as we already said, integral and differentiation are opposite to each other. So we can easily cancel it off. So the remaining is 1 by 2x plus this 1 by 2 is common for both the terms. Okay. So 1 by 2 is a common plus and we are left with integral sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x, and here we can add c because integral and differential is cancelled. Either you can add c in this step or after differentiation, after integration we can add. Anyway, both are correct. So now we have to solve this integration. So let us take sin x plus cos x to be as c. Sorry, somewhat constant. So the constant name is t. So when I used to take the sin x plus cos x to be as t, we get let t, the denominator part, sin x plus cos x. So if I used to differentiate with respect to x. So dt divided by dx, sin x if I used to differentiate, it is cos x. Cos x if I used to differentiate, minus sin x. So let us take minus commonly out. So what happens? Sin x minus cos x. In order to cancelization, I am taking the negative part outside. Okay. So in the term kaprom enna pandrona integralum differentialum cancel aidum, remaining x mattum irukum plus remaining in the term. So ipo in the denominator irukradha nama t nu solittu assume panikrom. Ipo differentiate pandren dt by dx is equal to sin x differentiate panna cos x differentiate panna minus sin x. So minus common எடுக்கிறோம். So sin x minus cos x. எதனால இந்த minus நம்ம common எடுக்கிறோம்னா ஏன்னா term cancel ஆகிறதுக்காக. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல வந்து dx க்கு பதிலா minus sin x minus cos x நம்ம substitute பண்ண வரும். So அப்போ substitute பண்ணும்போது cancel ஆயிடும். So இப்போ இதில இருந்து dx find out பண்றோம். So dx is equal to minus dt divided by this sin x minus cos x comes down. So sin x minus cos x. So now we substitute. So when I used to substitute here, we get 1 by 2 x plus integral sin x minus cos x as it is divided by sin x plus cos x is t into dx. So dx value is minus dt divided by sin x minus cos x. So this is equal to plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 2 x. There is a negative sign. So plus into minus is minus, and sin x minus cos x both will be get cancelled, and we are left with integral 1 by t dt. So this is equal to 1 by 2 integral x minus, so what is the integral of 1 by t? Integral of 1 by t is nothing but log mod t. So log mod t plus c. So here also if I integrate, I will get a constant c. Already there is a constant, so it is enough to write only one constant. So c, generally c. So this is equal to 1 by 2 integral x minus log. So the value of t is sin x plus cos x plus c is the answer. So sin x plus cos x plus c is the answer. So இப்போ இந்த t value dx value questionல substitute பண்றோம். Substitute பண்ணும்போது sin x minus cos x cancel ஆயிடும். 1 by t மட்டும் இருக்கும். 1 by t integrate பண்ணா log mod t. So t ஓட value sin x plus cos x. So substitute பண்ணிரும். So this is the answer. Sum number 33, integral 1 divided by 1 minus tan x dx. So this is also the same sum which we had done as sum number 32. Sum number 32 அதே மாதிரி தான் அங்க cortex இருந்தது, இங்க tan x இருந்தது. So first step என்ன பண்ணுவோம், tan x க்கு பதிலா sin x by cos x னு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So integral 1 divided by 1 minus tan x, I can write it as sin x divided by cos x into dx. So this is equal to 1 divided by, so when I used to cross multiply, we get cos x minus sin x divided by cos x into dx. So the next step is, so this cos x, when it comes to the numerator, we get cos x divided by cos x minus sin x into dx. So the next step is nothing but add and subtract 2. So when I add and subtract 2, we get 1 divided by 2, 2 cos x divided by cos x minus sin x dx. So the next thing is 1 by 2. So this 2 cos x we can write it as cos x plus cos x, cos x plus cos x. Now I can add and subtract sin x. Okay. So because in the denominator we have cos x minus sin x. So add and subtract sin x. So plus sin x minus sin x into dx divided by cos x minus sin x. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Now I just split the term cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x. So cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x into dx plus integral, and the other part is cos x minus sin x. So cos x minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x into dx. So cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x will get cancelled and we are left with integral dx. So 1 by 2 is a constant common for both the term, integral cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx plus integral dx. So integral dx we left. So this differentiation and integration will be get cancelled and we are left with 1 by 2 integral cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx plus x. So here we can use c, but after integrating this part we just use. So now 1 divided by 1 minus tan x irukku. So tan x எப்படி எழுதுறோம்னா sin x divided by cos x னு எழுதிறோம். So இப்போ next என்ன பண்றோம்னா இந்த cos x cross multiplication பண்றோம், cos x minus sin x divided by cos x னு. So இந்த cos x numerator க்கு வந்துரும், cos x divided by cos x minus sin x, add and multiply and divide by 2. So multiply and divide by 2 கொடுத்தனா இந்த 2 cos x எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா cos x plus cos x னு எழுதுறோம். Next add and subtract sin x கொடுக்கிறோம். எதனாலனா denominatorல cos minus sin இருக்கு. So அதனால cos x minus sin x னு எழுதுறோம். So இப்போ cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x term split பண்ணிடுறோம். Cos x plus sin x divided by 1 plus 1 minus cos x minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x. So இது ரெண்டு cancel ஆயிடும். Remaining integral cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx plus integral dx னு இருக்கு. So differential integral cancel ஆயிடும். So we are left with cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx plus x னு இருக்கு. So இப்போ இதை integrate பண்ண போறோம். So let us take the substitution to be as cos x minus sin x. Okay. So let t is equal to cos x minus sin x. So if I differentiate with respect to x, dt divided by dx is equal to cos x. If I use to differentiate, it is minus sin x, minus sin x if I use to differentiate cos x. So take minus commonly out and we are left with sin x plus cos x. So dt divided by dx value is this. So we have to find out what is the value of dx. So dx is equal to minus dt divided by sin x plus cos x. So now let us substitute in this part. So this is equal to 1 by 2 integral cos x plus sin x divided by t, dx value is minus dt divided by sin x plus cos x plus x. So sin x plus cos x will be get cancelled and we are left with 1 by 2 integral t. So இப்போ இதில denominator substitution எடுத்துக்கிறோம். Let t is equal to cos x minus sin x னு இதை differentiate பண்றோம். cos x differentiate பண்ணா minus sin x differentiate பண்ணா cos x. So minus common வெளிய எடுக்கிறோம். minus common வெளிய எடுத்து இதில இருந்து dx உடைய value just place interchanging மாதிரி dx is equal to sin x plus cos x கீழே கொண்டு வந்துறோம். So இப்போ question இந்த இடத்துல substitute பண்ணிடுறேன். 1 by 2 integral cos x plus sin x as it is, cos x minus sin x க்கு பதிலா t, dx க்கு பதிலா minus dt divided by sin x plus cos x plus c. So இது ரெண்டும் cancel ஆயிடும். So remaining okay, next 1 by 2 integral minus dt divided by t plus 1 by 2 x plus c. So this is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant. Okay, so 1 by 2, okay, let us integrate it. It is nothing but minus half log mod t plus 1 by 2 x plus c. So minus half, this half, minus half is only for log t. So log, what is the value of t? T value is cos x minus sin x plus half x plus c. So I can take half outside and I can write x minus log mod cos x minus sin x plus c. Okay, so here in this step also this half we can keep commonly out and then integrate it. Be careful with the negative sign. Okay, so the negative is only for this term, not for x. So if I imply the x, if I imply negative sign to this x, the answer will be wrong. So be careful with this. So that only I splitted the half, that is I had written half into integral minus dt by dt minus dt by t plus half x plus c. So the integral of 1 by t is log mod t, minus I had kept it out. So t value is cos x minus sin x. So minus half log cos x minus sin x plus half x plus c. So take half commonly out. The positive value comes first and the negative value comes second plus c is the answer. So இதை integrate பண்றோம். இதை integrate பண்ணும்போது log t உடைய value, 1 by t உடைய value log mod t. So log mod t, t உடைய value cos x minus sin x. So therefore half வெளிய எடுத்தோம்னா x minus log cos x minus sin x plus c is the answer.